Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're talking about a must-have tool for anyone who has a garden or lawn to maintain the 2PCS blade base for electric cordless grass trimmer Strimmer tool. If you're tired of struggling with traditional trimmer blades that dull easily and need constant replacement, then this is the solution you've been looking for. This blade base is designed to be ultra durable and long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about constantly buying new blades. It's compatible with a wide range of cordless grass trimmers and strimmers, and it's incredibly easy to install. With this blade base, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest overgrowth with ease. But that's not all. These blades holder accessories are also designed to provide a precise and clean cut, giving your lawn or garden a professional finish every time. So if you take pride in your outdoor space and want to keep it looking its best, this is the tool you need. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 2PCS blade base for electric cordless grass trimmer Strimmer tool today and take the hassle out of lawn maintenance. Don't miss out, your garden will thank you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.